guys! Welcome back to our vlog! Good morning! Welcome to Aromas Cafe.
Let's make arepas.
So arepas are a traditional food from Venezuela and Colombia. It's made from a corn meal and they are versatile and can be served in various ways, either grilled, baked, fried, or boiled. But this one, we will cook it sa pan tapos ilalagay namin sa oven. The dough is typically made by mixing cornmeal with water and a bit of salt, then shaping it into a round or flatty patty. And arepas can be eaten plain or filled with a variety of ingredients like cheese, meats, beans, avocado, or eggs, depending on regional variations. But now we will make it with chicken na may avocado sauce and beef. Pulled beef siya na meat. And then, para siyang mechado yung lasa. We call it mechada. And as you can see, yan, binibake na namin siya sa oven hanggang sa para magkaroon siya ng space or airy inside. Tapos kakat lang namin siya, lagyan natin ng butter inside and then i-fill na natin siya ng iba-iba, ng kahit anong gusto nyo. But for me, super sarap niya kapag nilagay ko yung scrambled egg na may tomato at saka sibuyas. Super sarap. Yun lang. Looks so yummy, diba? Pero masarap talaga yan.
Look how beautiful our cake is. Looks yummy, right? That is blueberry chocolate cake. And dahil wala pa tayong customer, kaka-open ko lang, magdidilig muna tayo. Kasi as you can see, we are surrounded by plants everywhere. Dito din sa harapan ko. Yan. So this is part of my job to give water. Hindi ko sila binibigyan ng sobrang dami kasi ng maraming water kasi dinidiligan ko sila halos everyday. Pero unti-unti lang. Hindi pala everyday. Minsan char-char lang. Unti-unti lang siya. Like that. Pero look naman, oh, how beautiful naman dito. So, every morning is alone tayo here. So, napansin ko yung eye bags ko. Natulog kami mga 1 a.m. na kasi nakarating kami ng bahay kagabi. Late na. May camera pala dito. So, nakikita ako ng boss ko na nagvo-vlog tayo kasi nanonood siya. Ano kayang ginagawa nito? Sabi niya, ay, ang ganda nito. Jaran, so beautiful. Right? Very beautiful. Ilagay ko pala kayo dito. So very nice. Kita nyo tong halaman na to. Papatay na siya. Kailangan natin siyang diligan ng extra. Diba? 'Cause you in my heart. Can't stop the crying. It'll be alright. Ito din, malapit na rin tong matsugi. Ang hirap kasing diligan niya kasi wala siyang, diba? Pa-deads na siya. We're done. We're done. Andun yung camera. Nandun sa sulok. So, we're done. And this is our menu court. Wala pa kaming menu court. Anong tawag dun? Basta. Mahirap mag-translate. Bobo na tayo. Parang hindi bobo noon. Iwan ko muna kayo dyan. Tawagin niyo ako pag may customer. Ha? Wait lang. Para kita niyo yung papasok. Yan. Tawagin niyo ako kapag may customer tayo. Yes. Ano pang gagawin ko? Wala na. Napakita ko na ba sa inyo to? Kasi very, very child-friendly. Kid-friendly pala. Kids-friendly. Look at that. So very beautiful. Diba? Yung concept na to, ganito yung concept na, ganito yung idea na naiisip ko na gagawin ko sa aming entrance. Pero yung pagka-green, mas dark ng konti. Parang ang haba na ng vlog na to. Nag-next day na ako. So, i-end na natin. And sana matapos at makabenta tayo ng madami today. Thank you for watching. Bye. Be kind.